Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Google Pixel 6a here. So we're gonna just unbox it and just have a look at what it's like. So here's the box itself, pretty small, simple. So we've got the chalk version here. So we got a USB-C to USB-C cable here and a USB-A adapter. So this is the SIM eject pin. So here's the phone when it's partially set up. So one of the things I really like about this phone at the moment is the black rails. I like this contrasting colour between the white and the black here. It's very nice. It's made of a type of metal. It's definitely like a smoother feeling. It's not matte feel to it. And the other thing to note is the power button being on top here rather than below it. So here's a bit of a comparison between the 6A, which is a 6.1 inch screen, and the Poco F2 Pro, which is a 6.7 inch screen. So here we have the comparison between the Pixel 6a and Samsung Galaxy S22. Yeah. You can see the Pixel 6a just slightly taller on the screen. Pretty similar in width there. You can clearly see the Samsung has smaller bezels, but the Pixel 6a is not bad really. Right, let's do a quick weight comparison. Pixel 6a. There you go, 178.7. Galaxy S22. 169.2. Surprisingly, the Galaxy is lighter than the Pixel 6a. Yeah, this was just a very quick unboxing and a quick look at the Pixel 6a. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you later.